50 meters high. 7th is the main entrance from three-headed Nandi.
I'm scared.
Yeah, it will take. Wow.
Oh.
Monolithic bull.
Come.
Look that. View of Virupaksha temple now. Very tasty.
Back to.
Fantastic view. We are in Virupaksha temple, Hampi. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tind and Travel. We are getting down. Parking, you see. Don't know whether we'll get parking and how long we need to walk. See, very crowded now. We should have come early here.
Yeah.
Looks like this is the happening place. See, that is Bazaar. Everything is there. Stone chariot model.
Oh, stone chariot.
Yeah.
Look at this elephant.
Oh. Come. See, these are all shops. As always, we can see this type of shops near
Yeah.
to temple or any tourist attractions, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday I was wondering why these type of shops are not there.
What are these bags?
Yeah, nice.
I think they're handmade.
Handmade, yeah. ಅದು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಣ. There is Lakshmi there. Elephant. See.
Nice. Here also we have a chariot, but a little more big.
Yeah. Even small chariots are there. See, before entering Virupaksha temple, we can see both the sides. Virupaksha Bazaar, market, right?
Yeah.
So even Vitala temple we have seen, both
Yeah.
the sides, very big market.
Yeah.
See, here, this is double storied.
Oh,
See this?
double-storied.
Double storied pavilions.
Oh.
What you were asking something on that? How they carry the things on top.
Yeah,
There will be some
there's
stairs
also-
on that.
What? There's
Yeah, yeah.
stairs also?
Stairs will be there.
Huh.
See, you can see that is ruins of Virupaksha market.
Yeah.
Before we entering into the temple, both the sides you can see pavilions, the ruined pavilions of the ancient market.
Yeah.
Few sides we can see the double storied pavilion, pillared pavilions.
Yeah.
Wow. Long view of Gopura of Virupaksha temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Daily pujas are happening here, not like
Ma,
Vijayavitala
where
temple.
are you going with
So here, since 7th century, continuously performing pujas, the regular pujas here, till now. Serious grandmother.
Yeah. Ziti is my friend.
Go there.
Hi. She only told ಇವಳೇ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನೇ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ?
Vijayavitala.
ವಿಜಯವಿಟ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ
ನಾವು ಟಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೈಟ್ ಬಿಡೋಣ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ
ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ.
ಹೌದು ನೈಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ
The main entrance, 9-storied Gopura with 50 meters height. This is very happening temple. So many
Yeah.
people are coming. Daily
proud.
pujas, worships are going on. See, this is Nandi,
Nice.
which means that is the vehicle of Nandi's vehicle of Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
So which means this temple is dedicated to.
Lord Shiva.
That's right. See the entrance.
Yeah.
Once you enter, left side you can see three-headed Nandi
Yeah.
facing to the temple Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
This is damaged statue.
Yeah.
See, three-headed Nandi facing to Virupaksha temple Lord Shiva. Shimi, this is
Yeah.
also like all other temples. The elegant architecture, pillared halls, small temples inside. Everything are attraction. See this Nandi, you want to take photo from here?
Okay.
Yeah, that is the main entrance. We need to ask whether we need to pay for camera.
Oh.
This is a separate entrance fee, need to pay here. This is the fees they charge. Entry fee, special entry fee 25. Video need to give 500 rupees. Camera 50. Nanda, this is the second entrance.
Yeah.
Getting into the main temple. See this?
Yeah.
From 7th century, continuously pujas are happening till now. Nandi. See, this is inscriptions. Wow. What a temple. See the craft work. Right?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a beauty. Can you see on top? Wow.
I got
Then-
scared.
See on top? Old painting.
Oh yeah. Better look at the ground. Nothing should be near me.
All paintings.
Yeah. It's all natural colors, no?
I think all natural colors.
Yeah.
Now we are in Virupaksha temple, Hampi.
It's closed.
Super fine architecture.
Hiding behind the pillar. Let's get out of here, Dad. I don't want to see the monkeys. They are naughty.
See this?
Take my words back.
See the pillars.
Yeah. Oh, see? These are all mandapas.
These are all Gobura.
Oh, gopuras.
South Indian style.
Neat.
Sharni. Super fine structures, right?
Yeah. See the other side.
Drum.
See this pita.
Pita, drum, all made out of stone.
Oh, dirty photography not allowed.
You saw just now, right?
Yeah.
Swayambhu Shivlinga
That was how many years back?
from, I think, 7th century.
Oh.
See the old drum. Wow. You're watching Hampi series. We are in Virupaksha temple, Hampi.
Burning hot. Burning hot.
Yeah, yeah.
Burning hot.
See, that is Lakshmi, Nanda.
Oh.
We'll feed Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Come. We'll give banana. She likes banana.
Okay.
Looks like very old.
Ah. I'm going near an elephant for the first time. It's gonna be crazy.
It is coming. You can feed Nanda. Go. First you give money. Money he will give to him. See?
Oh!
Money he is giving to his boss. Give banana.
I don't want to do this.
Give Nanda.
I'm
Go inside.
scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Yeah,
I'm
it will
scared.
take. It will take. Nanda.
Scold me for this. I told everyone going near an elephant for the first time is going to be crazy. This is why I regret
do
going
anything.
near an elephant.
She won't do anything, Nanda. Wow, see this. See, 3 layers are there. Climb Nanda. That is another temple.
Sri Sharada Deva.
Sri Sharada Deva.
Devi.
Sri Sharada Devi. See inside, pillared hall. Yeah, there is a Shivlinga here.
This is freaking scary.
See, multi-storied pillared complex inside.
I thought it was dark, but when I removed my sunglasses, it was my
See?
sunglasses just dark.
This is constructed on top of the rock hillock.
Yeah.
Emperors of Vijayanagara. Harigara, Bukka.
So many monkeys! Mommy! Mommy! So many monkeys! Mommy!
See the bell here, Navi.
Mommy! So many monkeys!
Oh, see the bell?
Let's get lost! There's so many monkeys!
Way to river Tungabhadra. We'll go and see.
It was best if we didn't came here in the first place. So many monkeys and so crowded!
So,
Oh, see this.
right?
Chamundeshwari. Here one Ganesha.
God!
Beautiful temple pond. See this. See, this is another temple. This is the other entrance. Wow.
See the fish. Oh.
Whoa! See that fish?
All crowded here for food.
You can see that halls, right? Drainage system. Water drainage system. Come, we'll go to riverside. Wow. Nandi. So many are there to cover.
Yeah.
We are going to Tungabhadra river bank. See this? The water is flowing from the dam, Tungabhadra dam,
Oh!
to this side. This is the Tungabhadra river. Wow, such a wide pond.
Yeah.
This is Tungabhadra river besides Virupaksha temple. Wow. Come, now we'll go.
Yes.
We'll go back, Nanda.
Yes. Let's go.
Sweet, Nanda.
Sir, earlier
Can you see, Shami? Top. So many temples, monuments are there. I don't think we can climb up. Hot sun. We will drop that plan. Came through this side and reached the entrance. This is the ruins of Virupaksha Bazaar. We reached the entrance. Now we're done with Virupaksha temple visit. Super fast. Wow!
Faster than a Nemo.
Playing here. Oh, so many are there here. They are trying to unpack the banana. Not scared at all. See, Nanda?
Yeah.
Now they use Virupaksha Bazaar for parking, two-wheeler parking. Can you see inside?
Oh. Yeah.
Since prehistoric times, Hampi and its surroundings area were an abode for human and animals. The land was suitable to sustain life. The Tungabhadra Valley, with its ancient rock formations, has evidence of human inhabitants dating back to the Paleolithic era, which is distinguished by a technology in which stone blads were produced. Wow. Wow. Very beautiful view. Hiding here.
I told to sit somewhere in the sand, but mummy told we could sit here.
See the distance from one location to other. Need to walk along to cover all the places here. During hot sun, it will be very difficult to cover all the places because the parking area will be very far and we need to walk long distance to reach one location. See the police station? Traffic police station. That is also in the old building.
My legs are on fire.
So this is the monolithic bull, Nandi. See this?
Oh my god.
Monolithic Nandi. This is monolithic Nandi. See, so many other monuments also there.
Let's reach there before Dad.
You can see backside. Where are you going?
Somewhere.
Climbing up. Can we climb? I
No,
heard that
this is
the
a
view will be
mountain.
very good.
I won't climb.
Seeing from top.
Ready, Mark? Get set, go.
Virupaksha Basar. Wow. See the view.
Why does Ganesha eat so much?
Ganesha love eating.
He loves ice cream.
He loves Motaka.
Oh.
Look that. See how many vehicles are there?
Is our car?
We can't locate our car from here. Chilled weather here. Wow.
I feel so dry that I'm sticking my tongue out.
That is what I said, right? View of Virupaksha temple. Now only you're realizing.
And some mountains there you can see. Is it forming a valley?
That is the right side, but you can't see here.
Yeah,
That is
is it?
Tungabhadra Valley.
Yes! I'm going to tell this to my geography teacher.
See, you're seeing only here, right? See this backside, Nanda?
I don't want to see backside. I just want to take 1 hour rest. A area lying between mountains.
Drink lemonade from the canteen.
No problem, no problem. I just wanted our aloe vera and lemon lemonade.
Wow, very tasty, Nanda. Try.
Let me face friends all if you can see me. Yes.
Kandittum porade namma.
Kandittum. We want to see more.
Back to life. Back to reality.
Back to life. Back to reality. Back to. Wait, someone give me a beatbox. Back to life. Back to reality. It's better if I do the beatbox, Dad. I'll do the beatbox.
Huh. Back to life. Back to reality. Back to life. Back to reality.
And this is how you beatbox, folks.
Monolithic bull.
Bye bye, monolithic bull. And bye bye, mountain. Hope we see you never again. Like Yana. So
Sri
cool.
Virupaksha Bazaar.
Wait, can we just sit somewhere?
We'll go to car, Nanda.
Okay, then.
Why to waste time?
Please put on the thermostat on the car.
Okay. This is a fantastic view. Right?
Yeah.
Infinite.
It's not infinite, Dad. It's finite.
Finite.
Yeah. Is
No
there
ending.
an ending?
No ending. That's what I said. Infinite.
Oh, I mean like there one ending is there, so it's finite. If there's no ending, infinite. The road is finite.
Yeah. We are right there. Yeah, almost reached. Can you see the car? After visiting monolithic Nandi statue and few other monuments, we are heading to our next destination. With this, we are ending this episode here. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes of Hampi. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.